interesting facts about whales. Are you ready? Whales are mammals, meaning they are warm-blooded and breathe air. There are around 90 species of whales. Every single ocean on Earth is a whale habitat. Some species of whales are among the longest-lived mammals. Scientists estimate bowhead whales can live for more than 200 years. Terrific! Killer whales can live for more than 100 years. Each whale tail is unique. Whales swallow their entire body weight in water when they feed. Blue whales are the largest animals to have ever lived on planet Earth. It can grow to 90 or more feet and weigh as much as 24 elephants. Awesome! Gray whales can travel over 14,000 miles round trip. Depending on the type of whale, they can be underwater for up to 90 minutes. Whales communicate by using sound. They like to sing. A whale song is a long patterned sequence of sounds. The tune of a whale can be heard for miles and miles and can last as long as 30 minutes. Baby whale calves are born weighing an astounding 6 to 8 tons. These giant babies take about 10 to 15 years to reach full maturity. Whales sleep by shutting down only half of their brain for rest. The other half of their brain remains alert to make sure they take breaths when needed. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye from me now.